Here I have LYF Water 10 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device by using the LYF settings. So at the very beginning, let's use the apps icon, find and select settings. From the following list you need to scroll down and choose backup and reset. Choose factory data reset, and this operation will erase your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone. And here you need to simply choose erase everything to accomplish that operation. The phone is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.